And as Nepal heads into crucial elections, rising unemployment continues to push thousands of young people to seek work abroad. Despite political promises of job creation, many youth say leaving the country feels less like a choice and more like a compulsion.
At a training center in Kathmandu, 21-year-old Rahul Pariyar practices using a harness, preparing for a job in the United Arab Emirates, where he says wages are 4 times higher than in Nepal, a country grappling with a 20.6% youth unemployment rate. The Himalayan nation will hold elections on March 5th, prompted by historic youth-led protests against joblessness and corruption that ousted the previous prime minister. Amid this economic backdrop, at least 3 million of Nepal's 30 million residents work overseas, mostly in the Middle East, according to industry officials. Data from the Rastriya Shramik Mahasangh Nepal, a labor union, shows that approximately 1,500 Nepalis leave daily for foreign jobs.
नेपालमा रोजगार राम्रो पाइदैन भन् जस्तो पैसा पाइदैन हैन त्यसै कारणले अब जानु पर्यो छोराछोरी पाल्नै पर्यो.
Political parties have promised ambitious job creation ahead of the election. The Rastriya Svatantra Party, RSP, currently seen as a frontrunner, has pledged to create 1.2 million jobs, while the Nepali Congress has vowed to generate 1.5 million jobs and cut the foreign labor outflow by half within 5 years. However, widespread skepticism persists. Many youths blame Nepal's political parties, some of whom have stoked decades of instability through a merry-go-round of coalitions and elections, for the lack of development and the lack of jobs. The impact of this exodus is visible in Nepal's rural areas, where villages are frequently left with only children and the elderly.
मलाई त दुई तीनवटा कुरा लाग्छ. एउटा त राजनीतिक अस्थिरता पनि होला हैन. भोलि चाहिँ यहाँ चाहिँ के भन्छ जबको चाहिँ कुनै ग्यारेन्टी पनि छैन है. राजनीतिक अस्थिरता र बेरोजगारी नै दुईटा मुख्य कुराहरू हुनु होला जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई हैन.
At Kathmandu's main international airport, Parak Singh, another youth departing for the Gulf, laments the lack of options at home. Nepal is like this, there is unemployment, Singh said. There is a compulsion to leave. Rather than stay in Nepal, it feels necessary to go to the Gulf.
नेपालमा अब त्यस्तै छ, बेरोजगारी छ, नगइनु हुने पनि हुने बाध्यता छ. बेरोजगारी बस्नु भन्दा अनि तिरै जानुपर्ने बाध्यता नै जाने हो.